Hello student, how are you? I hope you are doing fine. So today we are going to discuss the one more question related to the CSAT. This question is specifically based on the combination of the time, speed and distance and the HCF, LCM. HCF and LCM. And in the UPSC, they sometimes they're mixing the concept and they're asking the question. So we need to be focused on those things also. हमें उन चीजों पे भी ध्यान देना है जहां पे UPSC कंबाइन करके टॉपिक्स को पूछ रहा है. जैसे ये टॉपिक में स्पेसिफिकली इज रिलेटेड टू द टाइम, स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस एंड द HCF, द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर से रिलेटेड है. तो वी नीड टू बी फोकस्ड ऑन दैट एज वेल. So let's read the question. Always remember, whenever we are reading the question, we need to write the information of the question on the board. हमें नोटबुक में तुरंत लिख लेना है क्या क्या information given है. So we are not missing out any of the information related to the question. Okay, so let's read here. A person has traveled a distance of 66 kilometer. The person had to travel 66 kilometer, 88 kilometer, and 110 kilometer. In the 3 consecutive days, he need to travel. So if I'm adding the distance of the 3 consecutive days, it will be the 264. It will be the 264. If I'm okay, yes, it will be the 264. Then, if he travel with the greatest possible constant, so it's a keyword here. If it's traveling with the greatest possible constant speed. Greatest possible constant speeds means that will be the highest common factor in these numbers. That will be the highest common factors in these distance travel. Greatest possible constant speed वही speed होगी जिससे ये तीनों divide हो जाएंगे. That will be the greatest possible speeds means that's the HCF of these 3 numbers that should be given here. आगे पढ़ते हैं. All 3 days so that he covers the respective distance in integer numbers of the hours on the each day. How many hours will complete to the journey. So finally we need to find out the number of hours it will take. Okay, so first let's find out the highest common factor. These are divisible by 22. 22 3s are 66, 22 4s are 88 and 25s are 110. So 22 is the highest common factor. तो आपको tables याद होना चाहिए, so you can easily find out which can be the highest common factor, or you can also use this kind of the way which can be the highest common factor of the these given numbers. So here 22 is the highest common factor. So if 22 is the speed, 22 kilometer per hour is the speed as per the given statement. The greatest possible constant speed in the kilometer per hour is 22 kilometer per hour. कि सबसे ज्यादा speed जो होगा वो given 22 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा होगा in this given questions. And all 3 days so that he cover the respective distance. So he is going to cover the distance with the 22 kilometer per hour speed से वो distance को cover करेगा. Now the total distance with us is 264. Okay, speed is 22 km per hour. So we can find out distance is equal to speed into time. This is the formula of finding the distance. We are having the distance 264. We are having the speed 22. So we need to find out time. Time is equal to 264 divided by 22. That will be the 12. So he is going to cover the complete distance in the. So the answer here is 12. Answer here is 12. Some of you may be marked 22 क्योंकि आपने HCF जैसे ही निकाला तो आपको लगा कि यही आंसर होगा, लेकिन ये आंसर नहीं है. उससे आगे का भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें पढ़ना होता है. So whenever we are reading the question, we need to note down the information clearly on our notebook. हमें clearly information को note down करना है. Questions के कीवर्ड को समझना है, उसके बाद क्वेश्चन को सोल्व करना है. क्वेश्चन को देखने में इट्स लुक लाइक अ बिग क्वेश्चन, इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन, बट वी आर डिकोडिंग द लैंग्वेज, इट्स बिकम अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट, सबसे पहले हमें निकालना है HCF, उसके बाद हमें सिंपल डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम का फॉर्मूला यूज करना है डायरेक्टली. डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. डिस्टेंस वी फाइंड इट आउट हियर 264 and the speed was 22, so time will be the 12. 264 divided by 22, time is 12 hours. So this was a very simple question. So in the UPSC these kind of the question maximum पूछे जाते हैं क्योंकि it is consuming your time. जितना बड़ा क्वेश्चन होगा उतना ज्यादा टाइम आपका कंज्यूम करेगा, उतना ज्यादा समय आपको समझने में लगेगा क्वेश्चन पूछना क्या चाहता है. So first we need to decode the questions, how we can solve it. So you need to remember the CSAT is the game of choice. CSAT आप किस क्वेश्चन को सबसे पहले चूज कर रहे हैं, किसको आपको सोल्व करना चाहिए. That's a game plan here. So at Edukemy we are going to start a new batch from the 20th of October related to the CSAT 2025, where we are going to solve the each PYQ of the UPSC. We are going to know the way how we can solve the question without the formula. We can also learn the different kind of techniques to solve the CSAT, so that the CSAT will be easy for you in the each way. You should focus on the only on the GS part. So CSAT you can depend on us directly. We are starting from the 20th of October. Okay, we also started a free initiative CSAT for the UPSC Telegram channel at the Edukemy, so you can join that channel in the given link or the QR code. Thank you everyone.